Today, we'll be making Hong Kong style mango pudding. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. For this recipe, we'll need to dice 2 mangoes, Once you're finished dicing, we'll move 2/3 of the mangoes into our blender to blend. We'll leave the remaining third for later. Now that our mango puree is done, we'll set this aside for later. In the meantime, in a bowl, add in gelatin and sugar and mix. Then we'll add in hot water. Make sure to stir so that all the gelatin and sugar has dissolved. In a large bowl, add in an egg and give it a quick whisk. Then we'll add in milk and evaporated milk. Once mixed, we'll add in our mango puree. Then slowly add in our gelatin and sugar water mixture. Then we'll add in our remaining mango chunks. Stir to combine, and then we'll pour in our batter into our dessert bowls. Then place the pudding into your fridge for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, you're ready to serve. Top with additional evaporated milk, and there you have it, a delicious mango pudding. Enjoy!